Back, guys. It's another beautiful spring day here in New Brunswick, Canada. And we went out yesterday and did a pick up 3 barbecues. On the way home, we picked up this lawnmower, lawn tractor thing, frame. Load that on. And we got some other goodies. Street scrapping. Yeah, the hood's down here. So we got to put the rack back on the truck tonight, because we got a big scrap pickup tomorrow morning to do. It's going to fill the truck and trailer. Won't be able to film loading it, but we'll definitely film the load. And yeah, we got all this stuff here and alongside the road as well. There's the hood for the lawn tractor, and the rack we got to put it back on tomorrow. So we're gonna have a little campfire here later. Get rid of this wood. We got it all cleaned out into here. It's looking good. Getting there. And we got this cleaned up here. That's looking good. Oh my good heavens. That was our front RCP officer driving by. The pull. And look at this. Oh my goodness. What happened in here? Looks like somebody's cleaned it up a bit. Yeah. So, we're going to continue with that. Cleaning up. Which we aren't going to bore you with. Because this workbench with this vise is going outside against that wall where we've been cleaning up at. And this workbench is going here. Of course, all these barrels are going out for that one. So this will all be cleaned out here. Got to get shelving down. We're going to put a wood stove right there in the corner. That's right, heat for next winter, which comes too soon. Yeah, we've been doing some wire stripping, copper wire and stuff down here. Well, that's why I unplugged this sucker the other day, because we need to clean off the table a bit. Look at that. I just made a mess again. So plug this back in here. And there we go. Now we turn the scale on. Still not working. That's because it's not plugged into that. That is hung over here somewhere. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoa. So we gotta get this mess all cleaned out. What in the world did I do to this now? All right. I think we got her. Good heavens. All right, now we check the scale. Yeah, we have everything torn apart in here. There we go. So what do you got here for a number 2 copper? About a pound for the bucket. That thing don't look right. Or is it? Go to pounds here. So about 3.5 pounds of copper. That's about $10 there. It adds up. $10 here, $10 there. And yeah, so we're going to strip something apart here in a little bit. Don't know what, but before I do that, I'm going to clean the rest of this off, and then we'll bring these back and we'll destroy something to make some money. See you in a couple, guys. We're back. Look at this nice clean workspace. Isn't what we're using. All right, so we're going to take this beautiful chainsaw apart here tonight. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And the object here is just to get as much crap out as we can, so we end up with the dirty aluminum motor out of it. See what else is in here for goodies, but I think that's all we're going to get out of this. I gotta stop throwing that away, don't I? I'm going to need that. This last one here. Ah, it's so nice having the right tools for stuff, eh? Put This one here and here. I'll pop this thing here off first. There we go, get that out of the way. Make that nice and clean now. This one here. And yes, of course, they're on one side. They're going to be on the other two. Take this one up here. Oops. I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart, Captain. Yeah, so we're getting things cleared up here slowly. The outside workspace can be nice. It's nice dark now, but the days are getting longer. And as they're going to get hotter, it's going to be nice to work outside in the shade where there's a breeze. And we like what they call a smudge pot. I'll show you that too. Basically, you take like an old can or tobacco can or whatever, and you get a little fire going in it, and then you throw green grass in it. And the green grass makes mosquitoes and things think there's a forest fire. So they stay away as far away as they can get. So we need a Phillips for that. This is so much more power than the drill. It's just scary amount of difference in the power. And it's so fast and easy. Maybe it's a new drill. What do you think? Think that's in the cards for the future? Alright. There's the handle. Not shred. This is plastique. Flathead. A bug flathead. I'm going to do this one manually. It's probably in there pretty tight. It wasn't, but oh well. Plastique. Oh, you screw over the screw too, I guess. Since I got it right here, eh? Oh, they're stuck in there, that's garbage. Couple of screws in here. Oh, I love this, so much faster. Oop, magnetic. So this is all shred. Pick it up as we go. So we have another big mess on here because I gotta move this one outside. You have to get through the benches changed around in here. I'm still gonna try to step on stuff, so it doesn't get piled up on me. Hose. Spark plug. Which kid has this? Kid over here has it. This one, or is it the bigger one? I think it's the bigger one. Nope, it's a smaller one. I think. Wonder what's going on this thing now. Nope, here's the bigger one. Pop out the sparky plug. Oh, we're just seeing that. It's in there. Won't be in this again, or this one. Wait, put it right back in where it belongs. I did too, didn't I? I dropped that on the floor. Ouchie, here's talking about being careful with the tools. So what I do, I threw away one of my bits. But the thing is, I will find it. And it's still a while here because when the sun's up tomorrow, it's brighter in here. I'm going to sweep this place out. Oh, never mind. Found it right here. Look at that. Thank goodness. I'm thinking, oh, great. Just start to get things straightened up, organized. Well, that's not going to come out, guys. So, it ain't going to come off either. This is not going to come off. That one came out. There's a screw down here, but is it the right one? That's not us, I hope. No, that's not us. That's good. All right. So that doesn't want to come out there, does it, guys? So how the heck are we going to get this handle off? You know what? We're probably not going to get this handle off, are we? So you know what? This whole thing's going in like it is. Ha ha. They don't care. It's hardly any weight's that plastic. So I'm still going as iron aluminum. You know. Yes, me and that young fellow went up yesterday, which should have been Tuesday night. This is 2 nights ago. To the fire hall and join the volunteer fire department up here on the Kingston Peninsula. So, yeah, that's big news for us. We're father and son team, eh? So I'm just gonna leave this over here tonight because I'm probably gonna need it in the morning. Tear stuff apart, the shears all together. Yep. Just gonna sit here. I probably need these in the morning. That stuff can sit there. These things here. Oops. Go back in here. And yes, every night we're just going to clean up after ourselves. So I need such a mess all at once to clean up. Put this all in shred. Let's throw that in there too. What the heck? And they're all back in there. Yes, they are. Everything's in there. Put this up here. Grab it here. So put this over in the corner here. And put our pliers down this drawer. Cutters and pliers. Let's see now. Don't read whether to set there or not, but we'll just set them there for now. Hammering this. We'll pick this, leave this out too. The knife, we use it a lot. And top shelf of that. This shelf here. Yeah. I think that's the one. Nope. This one. And yeah, it's just a quick clean up. Oh, this here. Is that plastic? That's plastic. So this whole thing, let's throw that in for a shred. Because you got a lot of metal on it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm going to show you what I get tomorrow for a load. Probably show when you have the hand there to go for coffee. We're going to check that through noon hours. The young fellow graduated early this year. Ball's friends are still in school. So we had me up in Hampton today. Got to meet up with his friends he hasn't seen since January. And tomorrow's supposed to be nice after lunch, no rain. So we're going to go up 10 in the morning and get that loaded up. So by lunchtime up there will be done. And we can go down to local Tim Hortons, where the high school students go, and grab a coffee. And then school's out, you can go across the road and hang out there off school grounds. Because once the students graduate, they're not welcome back on the grounds without knowledge or permission from the school. So anyways, y'all take care. And anyone you want to see tore down, just let me know. And thanks for being here, guys. And God bless.